Hi, my name's Matt, and I like to hike. I live in Washington State's Puget Sound region, which means I'm surrounded by water and mountains. Some of the most amazing hikes in the world are just an hour or two away from my front door. For today's hike, we'll be visiting Wallace Falls near Gold Bar on the west side of the Cascade Mountains. Popular year-round, the falls make for a perfect low-elevation hike when the snow level drops. Visitors are treated to multiple views of the falls while climbing 1,200 feet for a total of 5.6 miles round trip. Although the trailhead starts under unattractive power lines, we quickly leave the grid behind. The climbing is gentle for most of the hike as we follow the contours of Wallace River. We catch our first glimpse of the falls at the Lower Falls Outlook. The Middle Falls Outlook offers a closer view. At another outlook farther up the trail, we take in the valley below. The final climb to Upper Falls. We extend our hike and follow a short, well-marked trail to the river above the falls, where a bridge offers one last view. That's all for now. See you next time.